to make. On behalf of the staff of the National Assembly and on my own behalf, I wish to welcome you all to this first sitting of the National Assembly of the 13th Parliament. I take this opportunity to particularly welcome back all members who have been re-elected from previous parliaments. I also extend a special welcome to the members joining the National Assembly for the very first time. Congratulations to you all on your elections as members of this august House. Honorable members, Standing Order number 3 of the National Assembly Standing Orders provides as follows. 1. On the first sitting of a new House, pursuant to the President's notification under Article 126(2) of the Constitution, the clerk shall read the notification of the President as published in the Gazette. B. Lay a list of the names of the persons elected as members on the table of the House. And 3. Administer the oath or affirmation of office provided in the 3rd schedule to the Constitution to all members elect present in the House in the order set out in paragraph 3. Honorable members, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, pursuant to the provisions of Article 126(2) of the Constitution, notified this first sitting of the National Assembly of the 13th Parliament through Gazette Notice number 10